Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. In this video I came up with one of the interesting features of a free AI website that will blow up your mind. Its name is ClipDrop. Let's enter and you will find this website name as clipdrop.co. Let's visit this website. Let's explore its features. There are plenty of features that will excite you. One of them is a text remover. Others are you can replace the backgrounds as well as remove backgrounds. This is uncrop feature where we can generate details from images. Let's start with this. This is my favorite feature. It will generate images using our text prompt. Let's generate something exciting. I am typing Elon Musk eating pizza with Zukerberg. Let's do it. Guys, it will take some time to process for free version, so I will skip this part of the video. So guys, we are about to get the results from our prompt. So guys, we came up with some cool results that looks really nice. So in this way you can generate anything which you can imagine. So let's explore other features of this website. Let's try uncrop feature. Let me choose one of the images. Let's try this one. Let's generate this these details. Click on next and it will automatically extend your image. It will generate your images really good. So these are images. These I think these two images are really good. So you can also download these images. Let's go back to other features. Let's try cleanup. We will clean the background objects. Let's explore for one of the images. Let's remove these guys out from the background. So you can simply click on clean. Let's see. That's good. Let's remove this also. I think it does a decent job in removing the background objects. Let's try some more features such as removing the background. Let's select one of the images. Click on downscale and continue. As HD version is available only for premium users, let's click on downscale and continue for free version. So it has removed the background. It does a really good job in that. Let's download this cropped image. Wow, that's wonderful. Let's try stable doodle feature. In this feature we will draw something and it will bring similar results, like I am drawing a Batman helmet. Let's draw a Batman. I used to draw this in my childhood. So this is a simple Batman. This we have to write what it is. It is a Batman. So it will generate similar images to our drawing. Let's see what it came up with. I think it gives much better results. I love these features. So guys, you can explore other features as well. So I will not take much more of your time in order to show each and every feature. One of the benefits of this website is I had tried it in my mobile phone and it works really well. So that's it guys. I hope you learned something new and don't forget to hit a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel.